Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are very well. And this is Pooja. Welcome back to all of you in my YouTube channel, Nothing Impossible. So, friends, in today's video, I would like to tell you that how I do my English speaking practice. So, without any delay, let's start the video. But first, if you are new over here, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can easily get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now start. I wake up at 7 a.m. Then I finished my all the household chores till 11:30. After I take rest for some time, then I do yoga, exercise and meditation for half an hour. Then my study start from 12:30. First, I want to tell you something that I have two channels on YouTube. One for study and second for comedy. Okay. So I upload 4 shorts on a daily basis on my both of the channels. Okay. So my first channel is Nothing Impossible and my second channel is Pooja Fun Club. Okay. So uh, between 12:30 to 1 p.m. I upload and scheduled 4 shorts on my both of the channels and fix them. After 1 to 1:30 p.m. I read the novel and write down the meanings in my notebook. Okay. Then after 1:30 to 2 p.m. I talk with myself on any topic like what I did yesterday, what I am doing today, and what will I do tomorrow. This type of topic I choose and talk with myself at front of the mirror for half an hour. Okay. 2 to 2:30, this is my lunch time. After I watch and listen some English videos, English content for half an hour. Then 3 to then from 3 p.m. I write down my thoughts on a paper, and I also write my topic, on which topic I have to make video. Okay. Then this process will take maximum 1 hour. Okay. Then i then i then i do practice again. For between 4 to 5 p.m. I do practice again. I do my speaking practice front of the mirror. Okay. And I do practice on my that topic which I have already written, which is I have already written. Okay. And on that day I have to make video, so I shoot my video between 3 to 5 p.m. because after making many videos, only one video becomes good. So that's why lot of time take videos. Okay. Because I upload at least 2 videos in a week. That's why it's important for me. Okay. And I if when I make video, so I make thumbnail for that and edit that video if I have time, and if I have not, then I edit my video after cooking. Okay. So come back again on evening. So 5 to 5:30 is my tea time. Okay. And 6 to 6:30 is my worship time. Then from 6:30 to 8:30 I listen the English and Bengali stories for one hour. 1 hour I listen Bengali story and 1 hour I listen English story during the cooking. Okay. We take our dinner at 9:30 p.m. So I have left 1 hour also. So I edit my video in this time and upload that video for the next day and schedule that. Okay. And when I don't make any video on that day, so I watch some videos like kitchen vocabulary, like home vocabulary, and vocabulary like hotel vocabulary. So I watch this type of videos and take essays from them, so that I can make my so that I can make shorts for my video, so that I can make shorts for my channel. Okay. I make two shorts in a night, and I download two reels from Instagram for my fun club channel. So so that I can upload them on the next day. Okay. So that's why, so that's how I do my English speaking practice. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. We will meet again in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.